So you might be in a situation where for some reason your particular iPhone phone calls are going in and out, they're glitching, or maybe every time you're calling somebody, it just randomly doesn't work and you're trying to figure out why. Now, the number one thing I would always recommend doing here, it's the number one reason why you might end up having this problem, is usually because the phone call that you're having. So the person that you're calling, or whatever the case is, you might just end up going through and you might just be having bad signal, your Wi Fi signal's choppy, or something along those lines. So the big thing I'd recommend doing is making your way over into like your settings application and trying to find your cellular panel. Or if you can, just go ahead and make sure that your particular iPhone has good signal. You can open up your data, you can just try seeing if that works. You can also try going through and just doing a Wi-Fi speed test or internet speed test. And if it takes a long time for things to load, then your signal might be bad. So you may just go and like want to just move to a different area that has better signal. That can also be another thing I'd recommend doing too. And for a lot of people, that's probably all you're going to have to end up doing. Now, for some reason, that doesn't end up working. Another thing you may want to try doing is going through and seeing if you can restart your iPhone. Sometimes you may just want to go and hold down the buttons to restart your device, slide the power off, and you want to see if that ends up working. For some people, that might be all you're going to have to do, and that's probably what I'd recommend doing for you too. Now, if that still doesn't work, another thing you may want to try doing is seeing if it's the other person's fault. Sometimes you might be in the total clear and it might not even be your problem. It might be the person you're actually calling. So you may just want to make sure that's not the problem either. Go ahead and basically just either move to a better area that has better signal or tell them to. And a lot of the times that's probably all you're going to have to do as well. If that's still not working, you can try going through and seeing if you can try updating your iPhone. So make your way over into your settings application of your iPhone, scroll down until you see general, scroll into software update, and go and see if you can update your iPhone. And for a lot of people, that might be all you're going to have to do too. So hopefully that ends up working for you. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.